Hey, what's up, you guys? This is YouTube user Dominic Arnone, and today we're going to look at this beautiful old 1950s Lank.PA USA padlock, and it says SPCO. And here's the keys. Let's open this thing up. Kind of hard to do this. Alright, get the key in there. Oh, hold on, I'm trying to get this thing to open. There we go. Let's open this thing up. It's an old padlock. This is an old padlock. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, there's the old stuff that locks it all up. Let's lock it up again. Let's try to open this thing again without making any mistakes. And get the key back in its normal position. Let's open it one more time. Now let's take a look at the back. Very detailed. And of course, if you're looking right here, camera's losing focus. You see it. You can see right there. It says, of course, right there. It's a 1950s padlock. You know what? Let's just open it again for fun. Get the key back in its position. Alright, let's open it again. This is impossible to open with one hand. You know, I'm going to put the camera right there. And we'll try to open it like this. Oops. Oops. Camera's messing up again. We finally got it open. Alright, let's close it back up. There we go. This thing is clearly impossible to open with one hand. I'll take the key out. And here's one more last look at the lock. It's very detailed too. You have your chain. Here are your keys. This big one's never used, but this is the main little key here that unlocks it. I don't know if you can see anything in there. No, you cannot. And so, tell me what you think about this old padlock. And that's it.